All right, now I just wanted to show you close up. See how I'm using my forearm here. Look at the right forearm of mine. You see how I come down and I push up through my legs. I just want to show you, getting a good close look of how I'm driving up through my legs there. Now I've just changed, doing both of them. You see my palms up as I turn it over. So I'm not hitting the spine. So when you come up, you want to get at that angle so you're on the muscle belly as you come up and you're lifting up through there. All right, so you're not hitting the ribs and you're not hitting the spine. Now here's just another closer look again as I just, you see the way I've got my hand up and then turn it down through there. You see that? So I'm just working that hip, and as you can see, I'm just easing the forearm into that muscle belly. And here we go again. So you can see here, now I'm using my hand side on, you see that? It's not up nor down, it's side on. So now I'm contacting with the bony part of the ulnar. So we're really just working that. And we come up through the elbow there. See, I just sink into that. And see the way I'm leaning back. I'm pushing back from my front foot there. And just dropping my weight in. So, okay, so you got, here we go again. So you see this? I just drop my weight down, push off from my back foot, going down between the spine and the shoulder blade, and try to touch the floor with my hand as we go down. Now, you see here, because I'm doing big strokes across the back there, I've got my palms down, because if I had my palms sideways, the bone would be hitting and contacting the spine, which would be really uncomfortable. All right, so when you do that stroke, your palms are down. So if you, like I say, through the course, and you can see this here, we're going to push up. You see that? Lift up through, using your thighs the whole time. So really practice these strokes. Once you've got them down, they'll be absolutely fantastic for your client.